歡迎咁多位收睇大人學，我係 Sylvia。相信大家咧最近都留多咗喺屋企啦，整下首飾啦，砌下櫃啦，或者砌下模型。咁當然咧唔少得會用到打磨工具啦。今日咧同大家去開箱嘅就係 WX739磨筆啦。
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, unlikely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me.
呢一支嘅小磨筆由於同電池係分開嘅，咁所以相對輕巧，轉速咧都比其他嘅高，適合輕巧嘅轉窿、切割打磨、做模型同埋手作都好啱用㗎。希望大家都中意今日呢條片啦！如果你都中意嘅話咧，記住俾個 like 我哋，訂閱我哋嘅 channel， 撳埋隔離呢個鐘仔，同埋分享俾朋友啦！如果你想了解更加多有關呢支磨筆嘅資料嘅話，記住繼續留低啦！今日我哋開箱嘅係呢一支 Maker X 嘅電磨筆。佢嘅轉速係5000到35000 RPM， 夾頭尺寸係3.2 mm。當我哋用一粒2.0電池嘅時候，佢嘅續航時間係30分鐘，正機重量係0.13 kg。如果你對呢部機有興趣嘅話，都可以過嚟大人行試用下㗎。